Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Valorant error code WAN 79. I will show you guys the different methods to fix this problem, so make sure to watch this complete video and apply these steps one by one and your problem is definitely fixed. First go to the Windows and tap at the services and open. And guys, here in this window, you had just scroll down and just search for the service name VGC. So keep scrolling down and press the V to go to the service of VGC. And guys, this is the Vanguard service. So you just need to right click on the service and you will see its properties. Click on that. Now here guys, you will see the startup tab. Just click on that and here choose it the automatic. Then click on the stop to stop the service. Then click on the apply, then click on the start. And guys, once you started this service again, then you just need to click on the OK and then we move to our next solution to fix this problem. Then simply click on the OK, then click on the close, then go to the Windows search again and type here the CMD and just simply run as administrator. Now here guys, just simply type the command which is the ipconfig and space forward slash then flush DNS. Guys, once you type it, hit the enter, then it will give you the message like this: successfully flush the DNS resolved cache. Then guys, you just need to type the netsh and space winsock space reset. And guys, once you type it, hit the enter. After that, just restart your PC. And I will recommend you to apply all the steps to fix this problem. So then you just need to check your system is updated or not. You have to open up the Windows update, and if there is any available update for your Windows, then just simply update it. Then right click on the Valorant and go to its properties. Now here you will find the compatibility option. So in my properties, there is no compatibility option on the top. And once you click on that, you have to just simply check this box or the run the program as an administrator. Then apply these changes, click on the OK, then just finally restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is fixed definitely. And guys, this is how you can fix the Valorant error code 79. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.